Hello students, as I said before, the OMR sheet has been released. So as I said, on the 15th July it will be released before. So it is released today, and everyone check it in the nta.nic.in website and fill your details and check the OMR sheet. And if you are having any doubts, you have to pay 200 rupees for the question. If you or the answer is given wrong or anything, you should have to pay 200 rupees wrong for the NTA for per question. So this is a video, and do check your OMR sheets and how many marks you are getting. If there is any mistake in your OMR sheet, comment in the comment section. Okay, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more info, and the results will be also released soon. Okay, so it will be released on the 20th July, before the 20th July, mostly by the in the 2 to 3 days the results will be released. So this is the video, and thank you for watching till the end, and do share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.